Good morning, Mensa. You feel sleepy? Good morning, princess. What are you doing, baby? Oh, you want to play with me? Really? Okay, let's play. Let's play again. Come. Yeah. Take this one. What is this? Look at this. Do you like it? Chucha. Do you like it? It's good? Oh, thank you. You want to play? Sit down, sit down, sit down. Chucha, take it. The other one. What is this? What is this? Oh! Oh. What is this? Oh, it's like a triangle. See, you can see this one. It's like a triangle. Oh, where are you going, baby? Come here, come here. I'll give you the other one. Oh, this is a bag. A little princess bag. I think you feel hungry. Oh, don't eat.
Don't do this.
This is a bag. See? Oh, it's a princess fairy bag, a small bag. Oh. Come sit down. Sit down here. See, what is this? This is the card. Oh, whoa, oh, oh.
Let's go to the washroom. Well, what we are going to do? We are going to wash the hands. That's the baby. The other one. And now we are going to wash with the face. Yahoo! Yahoo! Now it's time to breakfast,